Let me ask you a question. When you think about supply chains, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Probably trucks, warehouses, or maybe global shipping routes, right? But here's the secret almost nobody talks about: procurement. Yeah, that's right, procurement is the secret sauce that makes the entire supply chain work like magic. Now, procurement isn't just a fancy word for shopping. Think of it as the art and science of getting what your company needs, at the right price, the right quality, and at the right time. It's about building relationships with suppliers, negotiating deals, and making sure you're not just saving money, but creating real, long-term value. Let's break it down. Imagine you're running a car manufacturing plant. You need steel, electronics, tires, the list goes on. Procurement isn't just about finding the cheapest steel. It's about finding reliable suppliers who deliver top-notch quality, on time, every time. If even one part is missing or delayed, the whole production line can grind to a halt. That's power. But procurement doesn't stop at buying stuff. It's about managing risk. Say a supplier suddenly can't deliver because of a natural disaster or political unrest. Great procurement teams have backup plans, alternative suppliers, and rock-solid contracts in place. They keep the wheels turning, even when things get rough. And let's talk about relationships. The best procurement pros don't just hammer suppliers for lower prices, they build partnerships. They work together to innovate, find efficiencies, and grow stronger together. That's where the real magic happens. Here's the thing, procurement is often invisible when it's working well. But when it fails, everyone notices. Missed shipments, empty shelves, lost customers. That's why top companies treat procurement as a strategic powerhouse, not just a support function. So if you want your supply chain to run smooth, deliver value, and stand the test of time, you need world-class procurement. It's not just about getting the lowest price, it's about creating a supply chain that's resilient, flexible, and ready for anything. Procurement is the secret sauce, and now you're in on it. Next time you see a supply chain running like clockwork, you'll know exactly who's behind the scenes, making it all happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this insight useful, hit that subscribe button for more secrets behind supply chain success.